gathered here to pray. See your hand and remove anything that is standing in the way. We've gathered here to pray. What's up, guys and girls? Welcome back to channel. Emmanuel here. I'm back with another tutorial, and today we're talking about chord progression in the key of E major. If a song is in the key of E and it is using only major chords, then we need the first chord is E, then the fourth chord is A, the fifth chord is B. For those who speak French, that means if a song is in the key of Mi, then the fourth chord, the first chord is Mi, the fourth chord is La, the fifth chord is C, right? So you get my point. Let me go ahead and zoom in, then I show you different chord diagrams here, or chord shapes here. And if you don't understand, just make sure you go in the comment section, okay? You can learn all these chords at your fingertips. So if this is E, we got E, F, G, A, B, and then the chord is C. So now the first chord and the fourth chord, the first chord, the fourth chord, and the fifth chord, they are major chords, and of which we are discussing today. So that I don't want to confuse anybody anyway. The first chord is gonna be E. It's E major. Then you can see where I'm putting fingers. I'm just putting this finger here, this one here, then this one here. And you can as well see the chord diagram or the chord shapes. Or you can use this kind of fingering like this. Then the fourth chord we're gonna need is gonna be here, A. I'm just putting this finger here. I'm putting my second finger here, my third finger here, my fourth finger here. You strum from the fifth string. The fifth chord you're gonna need, you just go one fret, then another fret higher. Then you put this finger on the fifth string in the second fret. This chord is called B. This is muted. Okay? But for me and other guitarists, I don't recommend this one. You can use this one if you want, but this is easier, okay? Because as you go up on the guitar, you're gonna find these frets, they become smaller and smaller. So using one finger to bar this, it's like a mini bar to bar these three strings and this one. But you can use this one if you want to. Then you're back to E, the first chord. In this video, we are not talking about the second chord, the third chord, the sixth chord, and the seventh chord, because we're just talking about only major chords, okay? So that is why I'm showing you E major, A major, and B major. All this. Okay, so the good example I can give you is the song that is called Our Father by Don Moon. It uses this chord, you're gonna find it there. Then there is also where you find they are using A and this one. Okay, then they're back here. But of course, sometimes you find also minor chords there. This is the second chord, the third chord, the fourth chord, the fifth chord, the sixth chord, but those are minor chords, and I don't want to confuse anybody if you're a beginner. So let's keep focus on the major chords, which is this one. So strumming, let's take the example like strumming. You can strum like this. 4 1 5 1. This is the first chord. By the way, you can use also numbering system. 1 4 5 back to 1. So you can strum like this. 1 4 1 5. You cannot as well. You can also use a so-called solfege. Then you treat any major key as the do, like this one as do, do, fa, so, do. But sometimes if you're a beginner, you may get confused. But if you're a guitarist, you know what I'm talking about when you talk about the key of E or the chord progression in the key of E. That is why you can see do, do, fa, do, so, do. Alright guys, so I hope you learned something, and if you find value in this video or tutorial, go ahead and subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss anything. Hopefully you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'm gonna see you in the other future tutorials like this one. Take care, bye bye.